Today we're taking a look at Redragon's brand new wireless gaming mouse meant for MMO enthusiasts. Redragon is a budget brand which has been trying to break into the mainstream market and is otherwise a manufacturer from China and is very big in Brazil and in the Adriatic region, offering gaming enthusiasts their first dedicated gaming choices with affordable gaming mice, mechanical keyboards, etc. As I said, they've been trying to break into the mainstream market with higher-end options, not just the bottom-barrel low-priced products. And the Perdition Pro M901P is just that. It's definitely not cheap, otherwise the unboxing experience is very similar to all other Redragon products. So a cardboard box with a plastic shell that has the wireless dongle, the braided USB cable and of course the mouse, as well as some stickers and user manuals and all the other necessary papers. The dongle itself is very small and you won't actually notice it being plugged into your motherboard, for example, while the connecting cable is supposedly optical and has a ferrite magnetic core filter, so there should be no interference whatsoever when using it with the cable option. But in the end it's a quality cable that you'll plug into the mouse when you have to charge it, but it won't be used otherwise. Last but definitely not least is the mouse itself, which is really big and is a full hand grip mouse if I've ever seen one. As far as specs go, it has 19 fully programmable buttons and a sensor that can enable you to use it at up to 16,000 dpi, with a refresh rate of up to 1000 Hz. On the bottom side you may find Teflon pads, fully adjustable RGB throughout. Do note here that this is a wireless mouse and you will lose quite a bit of battery life when using it with the RGB enabled, so the listed battery life is 8 hours with RGB on and 60 without, so choose carefully. All in all, this might be a very great option for all the MMO enthusiasts or people who really need those 19 buttons and of course dislike wires with a passion. And as such, it might be an interesting option for you. Just do note the 140 gram weight of the mouse itself, which can be off-putting for some lightweight enthusiasts. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing on Discharge Networks. If you want to see a full review of this product, do let us know in the comments down below and see you in the next one.